from KIT, and I wanted to come on and tell you a little bit about our new summer camp training series that we're putting together just for you. I know that summer was always one of my most favorite times of year. I have great memories from my time at summer camp, and I know that you're probably looking forward to this summer camp season as well. So we've got an exciting new course that's built just for you as a summer camp director so that you can take it and plug it right into your summer camp orientation schedule. At KIT, we have a long history of working with summer camps. For over 20 years, we have trained thousands of summer camp directors and summer camp staff, and many KIT trainers are in your exact shoes as summer camp directors in diverse camp settings, from summer camps to residence camps, and have served children with all sorts of diverse needs. We've created this course based on all of the experience that we have, but also hearing from you and knowing what it is that you need and your staff need so that every child and youth that you are serving can have a successful summer. The course is called Ready, Set, Summer, and it's designed to be able to plug right into your summer camp orientation schedule. It'll be a total of 90 minutes, and it's made up of 3 30-minute pre-recorded webinars. Each webinar has a facilitator's guide, so you can just stop the video, read one of the discussion questions, or facilitate one of the activities that we've created for you, and then go right back to the video. The 3 webinars are Camp Inclusion 101, Teaching Youth to Respect Differences, and How to Respond to Challenging Behavior. In Camp Inclusion 101, your staff will learn simple accommodations they can use to include children and youth with behavioral needs or those with disabilities like ADHD or autism spectrum disorder. And these accommodations can be used anywhere that your campers go. In Teaching Youth to Respect Differences, your staff will learn activities that they can do with all the youth in the camp to help them learn how to appreciate the diversity of their peers. In How to Respond to Challenging Behavior, your staff will learn strategies that they can use to support positive behavior for all campers. In addition to the 3 webinars that are for all staff that you can plug right into that camp orientation schedule, we've also included a webinar just for those of you at the camp director level. It's called Prep for Success: Superior Camp Environments. And in this webinar, we'll talk about how you can guide your staff and make sure that they feel comfortable and confident in meeting the individual needs of all youth in your camp. This is also a great webinar if you work in after school as well as summer camp, because it'll help you make that shift from that after school mindset to that summer camp mindset. As part of the Prep for Success Superior Camp Environments webinar, you'll also get an action plan so that you can take the information you learned in that webinar and decide what concrete steps will be most helpful to you to create the ultimate camp experience this year. The good news is that once you purchase the course, you'll have unlimited on-demand access to it online and on any device starting April 1st through August 15th. So if you or your staff need a refresher at any time throughout the camp season, you can always go back and refer to it. As a part of the course package, you'll also receive a downloadable certificate that you can customize, indicating that you and your staff have completed KIT's Ready, Set, Summer course. We look forward to helping ensure that you have a successful camp season and can support all children and youth this summer. If you have any questions, please email us at info@kit.org. And if you're ready to get started, go ahead and click the link to register. We look forward to seeing you in the course.